Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Telegram and signing in. This ensures you can observe live status changes. Next, find the exact chat or contact you're testing so you don't confuse conversations. Once done, prepare a secondary account or ask a friend to help. You'll need a control to compare behavior. This step prevents false positives caused by network issues or deleted accounts, and it gets you into the app quickly, so you can perform the diagnostic. You now send a simple message and watch the delivery marks. 1 check means sent, 2 checks mean delivered, absence of 2 checks can indicate blocking. Then check the contact's last seen or online status and profile photo. If these vanish but the account still exists, blocking is likely. Make a quick call in Telegram. If it never rings or fails to connect while your control account succeeds, that pattern supports the block hypothesis. Keep notes of each result. You finish by confirming with side-by-side tests. Use the second account to message and call the contact. If the second account's interactions work while yours fail, you're almost certainly blocked. Make sure to rule out network problems, outdated app versions, or account deletion by checking settings and the contact's profile from other devices. If results remain ambiguous, clear cache or reinstall Telegram. And as a last resort, contact Telegram support. This resolves edge cases like sync bugs or temporary server issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.